As UAE plans to install AI technology into all health services delivery departments across all emirates, it is banking on blockchain technology to facilitate such processes. The UAE Ministry of Health (MOHAP) has established the country's first advanced digital portal to help store data of private facilities, drug information, health practitioners, pharmaceuticals, as well as other health centers. The Ministry of Health intends to use the blockchain-based platform to incorporate artificial intelligence across all the healthcare centers in the country. This initiative will improve the efficiency of MOHAP as well as other health authorities in the UAE. It will also facilitate the search for health facilities and medically licensed personnel via the app. This will make healthcare easily accessible to people. With the MOHAP app, users can follow 3 steps to get relevant information about healthcare personnel and healthcare providers within their area. Also, the MOHAP portal will provide information about different medications, including their manufacturer, method of use, approved agent price, as well as the active substance. Besides, the project would offer effectiveness, efficiency, and ease of work for health inspectors by providing easy access and encouraging medical tourism. Transition to AI technology. Part of UAE Technology Initiative. UAE has always been serious about becoming a global leader to proactively confront future problems with smart technology. This time, the government wants to intensify its efforts to provide solutions to healthcare delivery problems. The artificial intelligence project will play a major role in improving the efficiency of healthcare services and offering smart medical solutions to meet the ever-growing needs of healthcare consumers. According to the Deputy Undersecretary at the Ministry of Health, Amin Hussein, the plan is to help improve the overall delivery strategies of healthcare solutions in the country. It would also help consumers easily get information regarding most types of medication. This will help improve the general healthcare service in the country, according to Hussein. MOHAP is planning to offer the best smart electronics services to launch a smart system that would lead to customer H. You can read full post on cryptofans. News link available in text below.